Hello, my lady.
How are you?
You're like a real African woman.
But I am. I am.
Where in Africa are you from?
I'm from Trinidad originally, but New York right now.
We are.
Yeah.
You look really like a real African girl from Nigeria.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. But I heard that you guys have the best jerk chicken.
You want to try it?
I would love to try.
Now go on, man. I know when you taste this chicken, you want chicken in ways like this.
Oh my God.
You got chicken like this anywhere, you let me know. Come on, I want you to taste it. Taste it and tell me. This is pork bread. You know who was that T-bird?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A lady. This is complimentary. Don't told me a little bit. I know. Yeah. Every time. Right at Mr. Biggs in Green Island, Jamaica. Okay, having one of the best chicken and best soup on the island. You post that up, maybe another half an hour, you got 1,000 of people talking about right here.